Hey there traders, ready to dive into an awesome trading strategy that's both simple and effective? In today's video, we'll show you how to boost your trading success using fantastic tools that won't cost you a penny. First, let's head over to the TradingView platform. Then, take a look at the Bitcoin chart on the 15-minute time frame. Don't worry, this strategy works on any chart and any time frame, so feel free to experiment. Next, I'll introduce you the CM Open Range Indicator, a real game changer that's completely free. Just search for it in the Indicators tab and add it to your chart. Once you've added it, I'll show you how to adjust its settings to match our winning strategy. You'll notice two lines on the chart, which we refer to as the upper and lower level. Our goal is to identify when the price breaks through these levels, as this will signal a potential trading opportunity. In the first example, the price breaks through the upper level, giving us a buy signal. In this case, the trade resulted in a 15% profit. In another instance, similar buy signal led to an impressive 56% profit from a single trade. Conversely, if the price breaks the lower level and moves downward, we consider this a bearish breakout. The scenario generates a sell signal indicating an opportunity to open a short position. In one of our examples, this approach yielded a 24% profit. And to help you better understand this strategy, I'll walk you through a few trades on the Nifty chart using a 5-minute time frame. Additionally, I'll examine some trades on the GBP/JPY chart with a 13-minute time frame. This hands-on approach will provide clarity and demonstrate the potential of this strategy in action. Alright folks, it's time to take our strategy to the next level by adding a second indicator to the mix. But before we dive into that, let's show some love by hitting that like button. This will help other traders discover this awesome strategy. And by subscribing to the channel, you'll be first to know when we release new profitable strategies. Now, back to the business. Our second indicator will work alongside the CM Open Range V1 indicator to help us squeeze even more profits out of our trades. Now head back to the indicator section and search for the sentiment range MA by chart prime. Once you've located it, select it and add it to the chart. And to make the most out of this indicator, we'll need to fine-tune its settings. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Adjusting these settings will ensure that the sentiment range MA works in harmony with the CM open range V1 indicator, providing you with an even more powerful trading strategy. Now that we have both indicators up and running, let's explore how to use them to maximize your online trading profits. When looking to enter a long trade, wait for the price to break through the upper level of the open range filter indicator in an upward direction. It's essential to trade in the direction of the market trend. Since we're looking to enter a long trade, we must ensure that the overall market trend is upward. And to confirm this, the price should be above the green sentiment MA line. Only when both conditions are met should you process to open a buy position. Always remember to set a stop loss to protect your trade. For this strategy, you have three options for placing your stop loss: the recent swing low, the red line of the open range indicator, or the sentiment line. Your choice will depend on the market conditions. And to lock in profits, you'll need an exit plan. A good rule of thumb is to set your profit target at 1.5 times the risk of your trade. Now, let's explore how to rack in profits with a short trade using our dynamic duo of indicators. When considering a short position, keep an eye out for the price to plunge below the lower level of the open range filter indicator. This downward breach is your cue to prepare for the potential short trade. And just like in a long trade, it's crucial to align your moves with the prevailing market trend. In this case, since you're looking to go short, you want to ensure that the overall market sentiment is bearish. And to confirm this, the price should be below the sentiment MA line. Only when both conditions are satisfied should you proceed to open a short position. And always protect your trade by setting a stop loss. As the long trade, you have three options for placing your stop loss: the recent swing high, the green line of the open range indicator, or the sentiment line. Your choice will depend on the market conditions at the time. And to secure your profits, establish a clear exit plan. A solid rule of thumb is to set your profit target at 1.5 times the risk of your trade. This method promotes a healthy risk-to-reward ratio and can contribute to your long-term trading success. And as we wrap up today's video, remember that knowledge is power in the world of trading. So check out the recommended video on your screen. It's packed with invaluable insights that will help you become a more profitable trader. Stay curious, stay dedicated, and happy trading.